Hi, I look like an absolute mess. It is because I have just come back from the gym, and today is going to be a self-care day. I like to go to the gym even on my self-care days because I feel like now I go to the gym more for my mental health than for my physical health. It really helps with getting them endorphins flowing. So yeah, we look like this right now, but we are about to feel a 100 by the end of this video. That's my promise. I have just come back from Vietnam. You can see the tan. So we need to give our hair, skin, everything some love. So we're gonna start off with popping into the shower. And so we're gonna pop into the shower, get our hair nice and masked up. My hair needs like some major TLC. Oh my god, I know this is Sundar Taki Murat right now. Kidding, it's not. And also because it's self-care day, I have ordered myself a pizza. It's on its way. So let's get showered.
When I'm having my self-care day, I really like to give my hair some much needed TLC. I'll obviously go in with my normal shampoo conditioner, but I like to give my hair a little bit of extra love by giving my hair a deep conditioning mask. Because I have dry damaged hair, doing this about once a week also gives me amazing results. And on my self-care day, I ensure that I take the time to do this.
I feel like a new human being. A good shower is very underrated. Like anytime you just feel like you need to be reborn, just take an amazing shower and you're going to be brand new. So while my hair is drying, if you guys know me, you know that I am on a serious hair regrowth journey. I tried a lot of them out in the market, but there is something that recently caught my eye and I want to share it with you guys. This is the Derma 20% Actives Peptide Stem Cell Hair Growth Serum. The reason why I was so intrigued towards this is because it has 9% collagen anapule, 4% anagen, 3% copper peptide and 1% redensil. So basically I have been using 4 different hair serums like for my scalp for hair growth, and all of it is in one little box right here. So this is what this magic in a bottle looks like. I just spritz, I section off my hair and ensure that I spritz it all over my scalp. I have a little bit of like balding patch over here, so I like concentrating it there.
I love the fact that this is non-oily, non-greasy, and all of Derma Co products are without fragrance, which is great, and this is suitable for all hair and scalp types. I have been loving this serum so much that I even took it with me for my Vietnam trip. This comes with a powerful combination of 20 actives. The copper peptide improves scalp health, fortifying the foundation of hair growth and improving hair texture and elasticity. The stem cells boost hair growth via hair follicles regeneration, and redensil, as we all know, is an amazing plant-based compound blend and targets hair stem cells and reactivates dormant hair follicles for improving hair density and hair strength. This has worked so well for me that I don't think I'm going to put this down, and I will leave a link to all of this in the description box. Use my code Shruti2024 for 20% off on the Derma Co website.
So I use this religiously almost every night, and I know there are quite a lot of these hair regrowth serums and I have tried quite a lot of them, and this formulation I feel is one of the best that is out there because it has all the actives that you probably need for hair growth. And I love Derma Co products. Salicylic acid serum, vitamin C serum, all of those are tried and tested from my end.
Derma Co has also empowered 15,000 plus students this year with their Young Scientists initiative. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi Foundation.
And that's my pizza.
Say goodbye. They all see that it's a lie.
So let's have some pizza.
But before we relish our tasty pizza, I want to do my little bit of body care. I go in with this dry brush. This really helps with exfoliating your skin. Dry brushing has a lot of advantages. It helps with lymphatic drainage, also helps reducing cellulite. I've seen such a huge difference because I have major cellulite at the back of my legs, and this has helped me immensely. And once I'm done with that, I'll slather myself with ample amounts of body lotion. This makes my skin feel absolutely smooth, supple and beautiful. I also love this because it has a very mild scent. I don't like lotions which are very strong in their scent. So yeah, now we have our hair care done, our body care done, and time to have that pizza. I ordered myself this tandoori paneer pizza. This is my absolute favorite anytime that I'm craving a pizza. And I feel like it's also important to enjoy food on the days that you are taking like a self-care day. I don't know if you guys out there follow like a strict diet or something of that sort, but if you do, your cheat meals and your cheat days are also very important. Listen to your body. I'm not telling you have pizza every day, but it's okay. You can allow yourself a little bit of indulgence every now and then. So yeah, I am going to enjoy the rest of the evening with some Netflix and pizza, and I will see you guys in my next video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.
Happy birthday.